guys, it's Joelle and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing the July BoxyCharm. And yes, I'm very well aware that it is August 2nd, but I didn't receive my box until July 31st. And we're going to get into that in just a second. But for those of you who are new here, hello, my name is Joelle. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and salon owner with over 20 years experience in the industry. And on this channel, you'll find unboxings, hair and makeup how-tos, and basically all things beauty. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. So, BoxyCharm wouldn't even allow me to track the box. I can understand, don't get me wrong, that sometimes things take a little later. I got my premium fairly decent amount of time the second week, you know. Nobody's perfect. I totally get that. But the 31st, it's basically moving into the following month. And you would think for such, you know, there's a lot of subscribers to BoxyCharm. They should be a little more organized in the way that they actually ship out their boxes or when their boxes are prepared. I mean, not to compare the two, but Ipsy, on the 3rd, they show you exactly what's in the box. They tell you exactly as soon as it's being shipped. Like, I feel like sometimes BoxyCharm is like a free-for-all. Half the time, your tracking numbers don't even work. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying I'm canceling BoxyCharm because I do enjoy the subscription, but they really do need to get their shit together because it's ridiculous. I mean, I wasn't even going to do this video because I was just kind of like, okay, well, it's August. Now I'm waiting for my August box, and I haven't even received my July box. So, rant over, but it is, to me, it's completely unacceptable. I mean, I could see even the 3rd week, but the day before the next month, that's insane. It's insanity. But I'm not going to go on and waste your time anymore with my psychotic little rant, but I do feel that that was totally unacceptable, and hopefully it doesn't happen again. And I want, when do you guys get your boxes? Like, I'm curious. The second week, nobody, I think, really gets it the first week. So let's say the second week, even the 3rd week. But once you're pushing, like, I say 5 days before the start of the next month, to me, that's like, come on. Or even, let's say, but the day before, the 31st, it's like they were clocking down the minutes. Like, okay, now it's right before the end of the month. It's not acceptable. It's not acceptable to anybody, for anybody. You're paying good money for this service. So, okay, so now getting into the box. Okay, rant over. This is what the box looks like. The weight of this box was 1.8, not that it matters because you all probably got your boxes already. And the theme was sunshine, is the key word, and this is variation number 73. So, the first item we have here is the Vitamin C Boosting Serum from Clean Skin, and it says watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. Okay, that's interesting. It's a vitamin C booster. I think I picked this. I'm almost positive. Yes, I did pick this. This retails for $49. Oh, it's a very pretty bottle. $49.95. A powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea, and an all-in-one serum. Let's smell it. It smells delicious. It doesn't smell like a fruit, but it smells really, really good. It doesn't smell like skincare either, but it's good. Okay, so it brightens the complexion, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce signs of aging. All right, so I am happy that I picked that. Waiting so long, though, I probably got more lines and wrinkles. Okay, for our next item, we have the Creme Shop Next Gen Blender Set. Latex-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. I mean, I could always use these. Let me just open this up. It's not like you can't always use them. They retail for $22 for the set. And I do like the shape of it. It feels good. And it's got a really cool, interesting shape, like for under your eye. And I guess even just for powder. And then you have this guy, which is a little more detailed, and it feels good. They do feel good. All right, so I'll definitely use them. Okay, and for our next item, we got Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Okay, and this retails for $25. And I got the color pink, SCS 11. $25. I never heard of this this brand, this company before. And it's like sheer and kind of like clumpy. And that's what that looks like. It's a little clumpy and it's sheer in certain spots, but let's try it. Let's just give it a whirl. It goes on a lot more opaque on the eye than on the hand. But when you're moving it, it does sheer out a little, but it's not bad. $25 though seems like a hefty price tag for this. And I've never heard of the company. It's a lot of glitter going on. It's pretty though. It is. It's just on the edges as you're smoothing it, it's kind of shearing out a little. Let's try. Even them out so you're not looking at me like a crazy person. It's pretty. I don't think it's worth $25, but it's pretty. It's just a whole lot of glitter, which is not usually, you know, my thing for every day. But not bad. $25? No. But it's pretty. Okay, so for our next item, we got the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise Bronzing Palette. And this retails for $30. It's got a nice mirror in it. And that's what that looks like. And it's pretty. Let's put a little on. And I'm going to use the second one right here. I don't want to blind you. And I happen to really like Ace Beauty. Their eyeshadows are really nice. It's nice. It's soft. It's buildable though. I'm gonna go with the one shade darker. There you go. Just going to town with it. But this is really nice. I really do like this. And for our last item in the box, we got the Allure Cosmetics lip gloss. This retails for $15, and this is in the shade Birthday Suit in honor of their 2-year anniversary. It's pretty. It's very pink. So let's just try that. Oh, it's thick. It's very thick. Nice and thick. It feels good. That's it swatched on the hand. On the hand it looks very pink. I mean, obviously I have liner and lipstick on, but it's pretty. All right, give me 1 second. Box's total was $141.95. Honestly, the products in the box are nice. I do like that I got a lot of makeup in this box. And I definitely will use the vitamin C brightening booster. So it's not a reflection, the shipping and the issues that I had, it's not a reflection on the box itself. I do enjoy BoxyCharm. I just wish that they could get more of a handle on their shipping and try to do things in a more organized, timely fashion, because I don't think I'm the only person that this has happened to, and I'm sure that I won't be the last. So I think that they should just try to, you know, focus more on, in such a large company, you would think that they would have these boxes prepped the month before and then just have to ship them out. I don't like other companies do, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry about my rants, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.